your help. I place all the product links in the description. The Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro Full-Size Carpet Cleaner, 1986, with antibacterial formula and bonus 3 tough stain tool, is a top-of-the-line carpet cleaner designed specifically for pet owners. With its advanced features and high-quality construction, this carpet cleaner is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their carpets and upholstery looking clean and fresh. One of the key features of the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro is its antibacterial formula. This powerful cleaning solution is designed to kill bacteria and other harmful microbes that can cause odors and stains. With this feature, you can rest assured that your carpets and upholstery will be thoroughly cleaned and sanitized, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. In addition to its antibacterial formula, the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro also comes with a bonus 3 tough stain tool. This handy tool is designed to tackle even the toughest stains, including pet stains, food stains, and more. With its powerful suction and scrubbing action, this tool can quickly and easily remove even the most stubborn stains from your carpets and upholstery. Another great feature of the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro is its powerful cleaning system. With its dual-action brush roll and powerful suction, this carpet cleaner can easily lift dirt and debris from deep within your carpets and upholstery. Whether you have pets or simply want to keep your carpets looking their best, this carpet cleaner is an excellent choice. In addition to its cleaning power, the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro is also designed for convenience and ease of use. Its lightweight design and easy-to-use controls make it easy to move from room to room, and its large water tank means you can clean large areas without having to stop and refill. Overall, the Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro Full-Size Carpet Cleaner, 1986, with antibacterial formula and bonus 3 tough stain tool, is an excellent choice for anyone who wants to keep their carpets and upholstery looking clean and fresh. With its advanced features, powerful cleaning system, and convenient design, this carpet cleaner is sure to exceed your expectations and provide you with years of reliable use. So why wait? Order yours today and start enjoying cleaner, fresher carpets and upholstery in no time.